See the unseen. The ultimate headband magnifier with LED lights. Why squint when you can see it all in crystal clear detail? This Dilzekui Headband Magnifying Glass delivers 1x to 14x precision zoom with 6 detachable lenses, letting you switch between 23 magnification levels like a true craftsman. Whether you're reading, soldering, crafting, repairing watches, or examining intricate details, this hands-free powerhouse ensures flawless clarity without eye strain. Made with shatterproof acrylic lenses, it's lightweight yet powerful, bringing microscopic details to life like never before. Your eyes will thank you, and your work will never look sharper. Ever struggle with poor lighting? Not anymore. This head magnifier with 3 LED lights provides adjustable, targeted illumination for precision work. Whether you're working in dim rooms, tight spaces, or focusing on ultra-detailed projects, the rechargeable LED system delivers 4 to 8 hours of continuous bright lighting. And with a quick 1.5-hour charge via USB, you'll always be powered up. The detachable battery ensures longevity, so you're never left in the dark. Perfect for nighttime reading, jewelry work, and those I need both hands-free moments. Say goodbye to awkward, clunky magnifiers. This ergonomic, head-mounted design fits snugly and comfortably, even during long work sessions. The soft sponge inner lining cushions your head, while the adjustable headband with 3 precision knobs lets you customize the fit, angle, and lens position for maximum comfort. Need a break? Flip the lenses up without removing the headset. Unlike flimsy competitors, this durable build ensures years of reliable use, so you can work smarter, not harder. Tired of wasting time on misaligned stitches, blurry small print, or struggling with delicate repairs? This high-tech magnifying headset turns frustration into efficiency, helping you zoom in on the finest details with pinpoint accuracy. No more redoing work, replacing cheap magnifiers, or feeling eye fatigue. The double lens slot system lets you combine lenses for customized magnification, meaning you'll always have the right zoom level for the job. One tool, endless possibilities. Goodbye trial and error, hello perfection. Why overspend on bulky, overpriced alternatives when this lightweight, high-performance magnifier does it all for a fraction of the cost? Whether you're a hobbyist, DIYer, or professional, this versatile headset magnifier is your go-to tool for reading, crafting, repairing, and beyond. With proven durability, long battery life, and a comfort-fit design, it's a no-brainer investment in your vision and productivity. See clearer, work faster, and magnify your skills with the best in the game. Dilzekui's got your eyes covered.